Hey, come on, guys.
Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Hey, guys, the pillow is right here. You don't need to eat that. You need to eat this.
Put it in your hand and just, there you go.
Oh, there we go.
Oh.
I got it. Start around so they here. Here. There we go. There we go, Piggy. 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 Here.
Come on, Thelma.
Come on, Phil. Start around.
One of them is much smarter than the other, I think.
I know, I think so.
Who's smarter, Thelma or Louise?
I think so, Louise.
You think Louise is smarter?
Yeah. Yeah. But I guess she knows what this sound is. Yeah. She comes.
There she's going.
I can hear them eating. Don't put a feet in there. Piggies.
Don't throw it out. Yeah, leave it in there.
I think Louise is the smallest.
I think Thelma is a little slow.
I know.
Maybe she's younger.
Maybe.
Like,
Maybe we always get that place in my poop. Oh. Just start around. Louise, Louise, Louise.
oh, it'd be nice.
Louise will go to anything.
Yeah, she will. Oh, be nice.
She loves that. Shiloh loves that.
Shiloh likes to be pet like that too. Oh, there we go.
There we go.
There we go, Thelma.
Come on.
Oh, there we go.
Finally.
Finally. Look at those little tails wagging away.
I know.
Happy tails.
But they aren't curled up yet.
They had not curled up yet? Will they do that soon?
Yeah.
Did your tail curl when you got to be a certain age?
No.
No. Topher, is your tail curled?
No. What? Don't get that deep in there. Oh, the accident. Come on. I can hear them eating. The hair stuff. Yeah.
You know what we should do maybe, Anime?
Well,